Hi guys, what's up? Today's the day. I'm filming my first YouTube video and you're watching it. So today we are going to talk about how to create your own Instagram story post that will blow your followers' mind away. And this is why I'm doing this. I've seen lately a lot of challenges on Instagram and also a lot of challenges on YouTube where the YouTubers, vloggers making that kind of projects, but they're getting help from different platforms who are offering that kind of templates. They're actually not that cheap, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I should try it by my own. So I'll try to explain as good as I can so we can create some awesome content, and yeah, as I already said, it will blow your followers' mind away. All you will need is Adobe Photoshop and a photo you've made, and therefore I will take some photos I've made a few days ago here in Munich while it was snowing outside, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and let's get started. First of all, you will have to start a Photoshop and right away press create now. After that, choose costume. Let's name it Instagram story 1. Well, yeah, there will be one because we will create also another and third maybe. Dimensions are okay, 1080 by 920. We will change resolution on 100. That should works. Okay, and there is only one more thing to keep in mind to create as transparent. Okay, let's create it. And now we have our template. Okay, now I will import the picture that I want to use for it. I will stretch it also. Okay, this looks good. And now I will use rectangle tool and I will create a shape. Okay, this looks good, but I will change the color. I will use the color from my picture, so it's important to synchronize the picture with your color, so you just have to choose with color picker one point out of your picture so it fits. I already did it with, and I will use that color. Okay, and I will choose another color. Okay, looks good. So, and now we are going to create another shapes. I will still using rectangle tool. White color should be good. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, I have to fill it with another color. Okay, and now I will press Alt and left click on mice. For example, that kind of shapes. And for example, I will now add some text like this. Let's make it bigger. And now I will copy this few times. For example, like that. Looks fine. Okay. And let's make another shape. For example, here. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, yeah, looks fine. Okay, and I will add another text for hashtag. Let's try with winter. Make it cool. Make it a bit smaller. And yeah. Okay, that was the first part, and now I have some bonus for you. And we will create therefore an animation using Adobe Premiere Pro. So after we finished our template, now we will select shapes and text so we could export them. Okay, and now let's press export as. Okay, export shapes. Save. The same we'll do with our text. Okay, we'll put it in one group and export. The same procedure as before. Text, okay, yes, and also our hashtag. Export, save, yes, okay. And we have rectangle. Export, export, same procedure as before. Export, yes, okay, good. And now we will start our new project. Let's call it Instagram story. Okay. And let's put our content in it. Okay, this is it. I'll also use the picture I've chosen before. This one. Okay. So now we will do fast animation, and also I will create a sequence for Instagram size. I'm going here and I say digital SLR 1080p, and now I choose 25 frames per second. I'm going into settings and I change frame size to 1080 to 920. Okay, looking good. This should work now. Yeah, this is it. And now we will add our now we will add our stuff in it. So this is my picture, scale to frame size so you can fit it, and I'll also scale it here so it fits to the size of Instagram. And now I'll also add rectangle. Oh, wrong one, sorry. And then I will add our hashtag. It should come somewhere here. And also the other shapes. Let's put it a bit more there. And also we'll put our text in it. Maybe we should try it this way. This also looks nice. Here, okay, looking good. And here we go. We are making animation. So we have to choose first position or end position, let's say. Okay, and now put another spot or keyframe here. Okay, we'll go from here. Let's see the speed. Give it too slow. Let's put it that's fast. A bit faster. Okay. Our text will come in white, I guess. Fade, you know. Let's try it here. Video transition. 3D, no. Dissolve, yeah, this is good. Let's try with deep to white, but we will do it a bit later. Okay, like so, or maybe like so. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Our shapes will zoom in like so. Let's try it. Okay, and winter will come from the right here, from that spot. So let's try that way. Okay, and our last rectangle will move that fast. Yeah, this is it. I like it that way. Maybe this text will have to change its position. let's try it here or here. Yeah, this is it. We will put winter. Okay, I'll nest it so we can change the position without losing any settings. Okay, this is better. Let's see it. Yeah, this is it. I like it. Okay, and the last thing we have to do is to export the video. Let's take a look once more. Looking good. Okay, and maybe we'll make it a bit longer. Like so, sorry. Okay, I'll also have to make this clip longer so I can make this longer. Okay, and now we will press export media sequence. Let's say where it goes. Okay, Instagram story animation. Yes, I will replace that. Okay, settings looks good. We don't need any better quality than this. Yes, exporting. So guys, this was it. We made it. I hope you had fun, and I hope also that you learned something. Just try to be creative, just try different shapes if you're doing by your own. But if not, if you're gonna use my templates, just feel free to download from the link that is in the description. Also feel free to like, to subscribe, to comment and to ask the questions. And yeah, I hope to see you next time in next video.